video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this image to keychain app. Well, actually, to be honest, I've never used it at all, so this is going to be my first time. So we're going to see how easy it is or how complicated it is. And the picture that we're going to be using is one that we're going to create in Canva. So if we come here, okay, and we're going to make one, say 4 by 4 inches. Okay, actually, let's make it, yeah, it's fine, 4 by 4. Create. And I have the full version of Canva, so I might have a lot more items than most of y'all, but the same concept applies to anything that's free. So I'm just going to use her text for now. And let's just say, let's do this one right here. Let's see. And in order to edit, you just click one of these, and then you're going to come over here and just change it by double clicking it. Okay. And then let's go to element, and then you have all these shapes that you can pick from. And I'm going to pick the, like the speech bubble. And then you can just drag this out. Okay, and then hit these 3 dots here, hit layer, and then send to the back. Okay, and then you can see we don't see the other text. So what's possibly happening is that the other text is below it. Oh, it's the same color, sorry. I'll change that to, let's just say white. Okay, and then we're going to drag that back up. Get this in the middle. Okay, drag this up to the middle as well. Okay, and then we're going to hit File, Download, PNG, Transparent background, hit download. Okay, then we're going to come back to make a world. Okay, hit create from blank, and this is the part that I don't really know about, but we're going to figure it out. It says to select your image, so hit browse file, and then find that image that you downloaded or you created, and then everything like this is going to be the same, so hit confirm. Okay, confirm, and it's asking for this, hit next, next, and next, and start. So we're going to do 4 colors. Let's see, yeah, confirm. Okay, so obviously I don't have these colors set up on my MS, so let's just change this to, I have purple though, and then that one's going to be black. Okay, and then this is going to be, I like 2 millimeters, and then we're going to do face down, and then let's see, we can change the thickness of this if we wanted to, but I'm going to leave that the same. And then so that looks pretty good. I'm going to hit download, download as 3MF. If you wanted to buy the keychain, you can here, but we don't need to. I'm going to open this by clicking it. That's going to open Bamboo Studios. It's hard to find files again. So we're going to go to, let's just hit new project. No. Discard. File. Import 3MF.
And then find where that file is.
Right there. So it looks like we have nothing, but then if we flip it over, it goes blank. What the heck? What happened? Computer's acting up.
Give it 1 second.
So for some reason it looks like this right here looks pixelated because it's changing, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure all this looks good. So like I said, this is the first time I'm ever doing this. I'm gonna go for 2%. I'm gonna do gyroid, support, no support, other, leave all that as the same. Mid slice. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so this is going to cost me 44 cents. And it's going to print facing down. And let's go ahead and hit print. Then everything looks good. Hit send.
Circle.